What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to gift Snapchat Plus to your friends. I made a video previously on how to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, but if you want to gift a friend Snapchat Plus, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So open your Snapchat app, go to your profile, go to settings, click on Snapchat Plus, click on Snapchat Plus Gifts. Now, all your friends are going to pop up. You can search the person you want to gift. I'm going to use the first one as an example in this video, Natasha. So click on it. They're going to give you options to choose from. You have 12 months, 6 months, and 3 months. Select the one you want to gift and click on Gift Snapchat Plus. Gift delivery. Your gift will automatically be delivered after purchase. Click on OK. Now it will bring up One Tap Buy from Google Pay. Click on One Tap Buy. It's going to ask you for your password or your Face ID or your fingerprint, and Snapchat Plus will be delivered to your friend. So that's how you gift a friend Snapchat Plus. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.